Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about which VPNs are best for iPad in 2025. Whether you use your tablet for work, streaming, traveling, or just surfing, a VPN gives you security and unlimited access. But not all VPNs work equally well on iOS and iPadOS. Let's start with the basic requirements for a VPN for iPad. First, a stable app optimized for iPadOS. Second, fast speeds even when connecting to distant servers. Third, geo-blocking capabilities. Streaming, content unlocking. Fourth, strong personal data protection and no logs. Let's start with my top pick, NordVPN. NordVPN has one of the most stable apps for iPadOS. The interface is fully optimized for tablets with a convenient server map, quick country selection, and easy access to settings. With NordLynx, their version of WireGuard, speeds remain high even on distant servers. Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, YouTube TV, Disney Plus, everything works smoothly. Plus, there are obfuscated servers to bypass blocks in countries with strict censorship. Another important bonus is Threat Protection Pro, which blocks malicious websites, ads, and trackers right on your device. NordVPN does not keep logs. This policy has been confirmed by independent audits. The second good option is Surfshark. Surfshark also has a full-featured app for iPad. Easy connection, good server selection, decent speed. A big plus for Surfshark is that you get unlimited devices on one subscription. This is convenient if you have a family or a lot of devices. However, Surfshark sometimes falls short of NordVPN when it comes to bypassing streaming blocks. Not all Netflix libraries are available consistently. Surfshark also doesn't yet have full threat protection like NordVPN. The third option is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN has a very simple app for iPad. It offers high connection stability and good streaming, but the price is significantly higher. ExpressVPN is more expensive and does not offer eSIM, dedicated IPs, or MeshNet, which NordVPN does. In the premium segment, it's all about speed and reputation, without any advanced features. Why I personally am staying with NordVPN for iPad, the most convenient app for iPadOS. High speed via NordLynx. Excellent streaming performance. Advanced security features. Support for up to 10 devices on one account. Plus, a complete no logs policy, MeshNet, dedicated IP, dark web monitor, eSIM. And now for the price for 2025. 2 years of NordVPN costs $39.99 per month. Plus 3 free months free eSIM with 10 gigabytes of data, protection for up to 10 devices, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The bottom line is simple. The iPad is a great device for work and content, but only when paired with a reliable VPN do you get complete freedom, security, and access to the entire world. In practice, NordVPN offers the best balance of speed, security, and functionality for the iPad in 2025. The link to NordVPN is below this video. All bonuses are in the pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next episodes of VPN Unlocked.